Measurements. This is again something I haven't used here, but we're going to just draw this wall out. And I'm going to assume that that may be on the tour viewable. Do you know the answer to that?
I don't.
Okay. Well, I guess we can test that theory out here in a little bit.
Okay. I want to say if you put the measurement in there, yes, it's going to show up in the tour. So there's really two things that we're talking about on measurements. One is having some default measurements show up within the tour. And then second is to enable anyone to do their own measurements or to disable that feature.
Correct. Yeah. And it looks like that's true because you can hide it here.
I guess I could imagine, since you've done thousands of residential tours, you really want to keep your workflow as fast as possible. And unless a client's paying you for, you want labels, you want measurements within the tour, you're not delivering any of that because it's not something that clients are asking for, and it's just something that's going to be time consuming to do. But we thought during this demo, it might be helpful just to show how that's done in case you have a use case for that.
Yeah, and I think it's kind of based on the service provider and what they're offering. I have a colleague who tends to do highlight reels with every order, just kind of as his offering. And that's not something we do. And no agent has asked me, hey, I'm missing the highlight reel. Where's it at?
Mm-hmm.
But at least it's available. I did use it recently. Actually, no, I didn't. I was going to say I started to use it recently on a commercial space, but they decided not to use it once I had it done.
Okay.